Mom, I do not like maths. Son, I also do not like maths. But when you will grow old and be a millionaire, how will you count your money? I'm telling you a story. This is a story of a kingdom, and you will understand variety of quadrilaterals with their properties, and I'm sure you're not going to forget it anytime. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom named Paralogistan. There lived a king, and the king name was, did you recognize? Paddy Parallelogram. Paddy Parallelogram was a king, but he was not happy. You know why? Due to pandemic, many people of his kingdom died, and he was totally left alone in the castle. So he was much worried how to run the kingdom. So he thought, and thought. Then he came up with a brilliant idea and he made an announcement. It's a very important announcement. Pay attention, everybody. I'm going to hire few people for my castle, and also the most capable amongst them will be chosen as a prince to crown with. So grab the opportunity, come for the test. But he thought, how will he find his qualities? On which basis he is going to choose? So he went to Dr. GeoGebra. Dr. GeoGebra, please take my X-ray, MRI or ultrasound and tell me my qualities. GeoGebra doctor told, Your Majesty, sure I will take. Come with me. He took the MRI and he told that your opposite sides are always equal, opposite angles are always equal, and the diagonals bisect each other though they are not equal in length, and they are not perpendicular to each other. So he prepared a report. On the basis of his MRI, he prepared the report and gave it to the king. King read it. My opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Diagonals bisect each other. And he became very happy. He filed it with him so that he is going to start the interview. Let's see who is coming first. Yeah, it's a quadrilateral. Your Majesty, I'm Quacky Quadrilateral, and as per your announcement, I'm the best candidate. So please take my test. Quacky, very nice. You are most welcome. Go to Dr. GeoGebra and bring the report. So Quacky went to Dr. GeoGebra, and Dr. GeoGebra took the MRI, and he found he's a polygon made up of 4 line segments, and sum of all the interior angle is 180 degree, and apart from that there is no specific relation. He prepared the report and he gave it to Quacky. Quacky took it and went to the king. Your Majesty, I am a closed figure made up of 4 sides, and the sum of my 4 interior angles is equal to 360 degree. I have no specific relation between sides and angles. King thought. Not much of his qualities matches with me. So he said, Quacky, you are welcome to the kingdom. Now I am giving you the duty of a guard. So take care of the castle. Quacky stood outside and became very happy. Let's see who came next. It's a trapezium. Your Majesty, I'm Tampy Trapezium, and as per your requirement, I'm the best candidate. Please take my test. Welcome, Tampy. Please go to Dr. GeoGebra and bring the report. He went to Dr. GeoGebra. Dr. GeoGebra took the MRI and he prepared the report. Neither of the sides are equal, but one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Angles also have no relation, and diagonals also do not bisect, neither perpendicular. So he prepared a report and gave it to Tampy. Tampy happily took that report and came to the king. And he told, Your Majesty, only one pair of opposite parallel sides I have, and two pair of adjacent angles are supplementary. Again, king think, very less qualities matches with me. So he said, Tampy, you are welcome, and I'm appointing you as a cook. So start preparing for us. Tampy became very happy and became the quiz. Let's see who came next. It is a rhombus. Your Majesty, I am Rocky Rhombus, and as per your announcement, I am the best candidate. Please take my test. Welcome, Rocky, King said. Please go to Dr. GeoGebra and bring the MRI reports. Rocky went to Dr. GeoGebra, and Dr. GeoGebra took his MRI, and he saw his all sides are equal. Opposite angles are also equal, and the diagonals bisect at 90 degrees, though diagonals are not equal. So he prepared a report. Sides, all sides equal, opposite sides equal and parallel. Angles not equal all, but opposite angles equal, and the adjacent angles are supplementary. Diagonals not equal, but they bisect each other at 90 degrees. So he prepared a report, and Rocky, jumping happily, and took this report and went to the king. And he said, Your Majesty, I have all the properties of a parallelogram. I am a special because all the four sides are equal in length. So my diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. King became very happy and immediately he announced that Rocky is going to be crowned as a prince. And the celebration began. But the story does not end here. Time passed, and again King made an announcement. Listen, everybody, very carefully. Now I am in search of a princess for my prince. So we have to arrange a wedding. Please come and give your interview. And the most eligible person, girl would be selected. Okay, let's see who came for the interview. Oh, it's a delicate, intelligent, and smart rectangle. Your Majesty, I'm Rosie Rectangle, and as per your announcement, I'm the best candidate. Please take my test. Welcome, Rosie, King said. Please go to Dr. GeoGebra and bring the report. Rosie Rectangle went to Dr. GeoGebra, and doctor took the MRI, and he found Rosie, all the opposite sides are equal, all the angles are 90 degree, and the diagonals are also equal in length. They bisect each other but not perpendicular. So he prepared a report. Sides are not equal, but they are opposite sides are equal and parallel. Angles are 90 degree and all of them are equal, 180 degree, everything is okay. Diagonals, both the diagonals are equal and they are perpendicular, no, not perpendicular, but they bisect each other. So he prepared the final report. Rosie took that report and happily came to the king. Your Majesty, I have all the properties of a parallelogram. I am special because my all the four angles are 90 degree. So my diagonals are also equal in length. King became very happy to see the report, and he announced immediately Rosie as a princess. And they both got married happily. Celebration began. What do you think? Story ends here? No, but the story does not end here. Time passed. Rocky Rhombus and Rosie Rectangle became blessed with a baby boy. Do you know who is the baby prince? It's a square. So they named it Stylo Square because he was very pretty, very stylish, and very smart. So King thought, let us check that my grandson has how many qualities. So he took him to Dr. GeoGebra. Dr. GeoGebra took the MRI and he found that his all the sides are equal, all the angles are right 90-degree, diagonals are also equal, diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. So he prepared the report. He has all the qualities, he thought, and he prepared the report. King became very happy to see the report. And Stylo also came happily, jumping, crawling, and came and told to his grandpa, 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 look at my report. I have all the properties of my grandpa parallelogram. I have all the properties of my father rhombus. Also, I have all the properties of my mother rectangle. So my diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90-degree. They all become very happy. But the story does not end here. One more chapter is left. Time passed, and the prince grew old. Now, he needs some friend to play with. So again, King made an announcement. It's a very important announcement. Please come and be friend of my grandson. Let's see who accepted this challenge. It is Kelvin Kite came. Your Majesty, I'm Kelvin Kite. As per your announcement, I'm the best person to play with. Please take my test. King said, Kelvin, you are welcome. Please go to Dr. GeoGebra and bring the report. He went to Dr. GeoGebra. Dr. GeoGebra took the MRI and he found that his opposite sides are not equal, but adjacent sides are equal. So two pair of adjacent sides are equal and all opposite angles are not equal, but one pair are equal and the diagonals are perpendicular, but they are not bisectors of each other. One is being bisected and other is not. So he prepared a report and gave to Kelvin. Kelvin happily just flying here and there and went to the king. And he said, Your Majesty, I have two pair of adjacent sides with equal length. And the two angles are equal where the unequal sides meet. The two diagonals intersect each other at 90-degree. I can fly and this is my best quality. King became very happy. Yes, and he appointed him as a friend. Stylo Square and Kelvin Kite started playing and they remain happy forever. Here the story ends, and then afterward they prepared the family tree of the quadrilateral family. All of them are quadrilateral. Then there are two types, kite and trapezoid. Trapezoid is again parallelogram and isosceles trapezoid. Parallelogram has many varieties, rhombus, square, rectangle. Square has both the varieties they prepared. So this is the end of the story. Now, son, What will you say to maths now? Mom, I love maths.